What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris Fisher coming at you with another reaction. Chainsaw Man episode 5. Not gonna lie, not about to waste too much time. Got other reactions I'm about to record tonight, so everybody get straight into this. Like, subscribe, comment if you enjoy the video. Everybody get straight into this video in 1, 2, 3. My fault. 1, 2, 3. What the heck? What the heck is that? My man was tricked. She tricked him. Oh, that's foul. I ain't gonna lie to you. She got him thinking she got some big melons, bruh. Why you look like that, boy? Why are you making that face? Is he happy? Is he disappointed? I'm confused. That freaking nasty laugh, bro. Exactly. That would have me tight, bro. Why she chomp him in his head like that? Something definitely is. My boy is sick. I mean, he was happier with the thought of how good it was gonna be than the actual action of, you know what I mean? Yo, what's going on? MAKIMA, you getting touchy, bro. I ain't. What the heck? This kind of getting. Can I even show this? You got him touching the earlobe? Yeah, hold up. Can I show this on YouTube? If you don't see this right now, it's cut. It is. MAKIMA is a freak! Oh! Oh! That's wild. Why is he free? My man about to have a heart attack. Did she just sit on his lap? I ain't gonna front. I want you to beat the gun devil. Before or after I take you back to the crib. That's exactly what I've been saying about my boy Deji. Deji, you tripping. Of course, the gun devil would come from America. I'll make any of your wishes come true. What type of wishes? Why is he speaking in third person, bro? He's still talking in third person. Anything like even sex? I say anything. That's what I'm saying. It's not even allowed. You about to get my boy Deji in trouble out here. So the more people fear guns or fear gun violence, the stronger the gun becomes. Is that what she trying to say? Now, why that little kid low key look like old dude with the sword? Sorry, I can't remember his name. Bro, how you gonna let your brother do that to you, bro? There's no way you're losing to your brother, boy. I just been serving my little brother. You playing with me. Ooh, if y'all ain't never played in the snow, bro, and you get them red hands, like, when your hands start, like, it low-key hurts to even touch the snow, or whenever you get inside and the warmth even makes it kind of sting a little bit. Boy, look at him being a good boy. I really do feel like that's that dude with the sword, though. I like, he looks just like him. Oh my god! 1.2 million people were killed. I ain't gonna lie, that scared me. I got these headphones turned all the way up, and that scared me. Now, that scared me. You didn't get beat it? Heck no, that you can't beat. You just saw he did. Man, Deji, don't lie, bro. You about to get killed all for some booty. You're bugging. Why the bullets look like that, bro? Oh, so they are attracted to each other. Ugh. I'm guessing that's a girl. I ain't gonna lie, when I first seen that character, I thought that was a dude. I'm not gonna lie to you. I knew it. I knew that was him. I knew I ain't tripping. My eyes don't lie. Oh, so the gun devil's here? Work on your manners. They just immediately start roasting him. No way. They're like kids for some gum? He was like, Danny. Yo, that's low-key type funny, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Them smacking this gum is already getting on my nerves. Prank, that went too far. But now I want to know what type of prank. What type of prank did they do? Whoever kills the devil will win. A kiss on the cheek from me. Oh, of course Deji about to get hyped for that. So until the gun that was dead, no smooching for me. I don't know, you know, I ain't after your lips. Talk crazy then. Why she stretch that? Hey! There you go. This man Deji. Oh, he pressed. What the heck? Yo, what is good with this dude Deji, bro? Close your mouth. That's what I'm saying. Tell this dude close his mouth, boy. She's timid. He likes common sense. Don't die on me, Aki. This is your new partner. I'm Aki. Nice to meet you. Sixth partner? Dang, boy! All your partners got smoked in. The heck? All her partners got smoked. Ugh! Ooh. She got telekinesis on? Power always ready to kill something. Nah, I ain't gonna find out it's a disgusting creature. The ghost devil.
透明で力持ちで便利でしょ。10野郎の肉片はある？
強い反応はなし。こいつじゃないですね。
そっか。
ラスト言ったらどうする？
武器を引っ込めな。
I ain't go front, Power. I ain't go front. That's a good
めん
point.
どくさいから仲良くやろうよ。
Nah, Deji with that laugh is funny.
どうした？から9階へ行く階段を登りましたよね。ああ。
Are they in the loop?
見間違いじゃねえな。
Oh, no, that's crazy.
違う。何かがおかしい。ステーキ。俺ステーキ食ってみて。
They're in a loop?
新井くん、今階段降りていったよね。
ああ。
Oh, Lord. Shorty freaking out. No, that's a crazy way to end the episode. They're trapped in a loop on the 8th floor. Ooh, I can't wait to see what the next episode brings. With that said, thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Makima is the freak of the episode. Deji is always going to be the freak, but she was super freaky this episode. But yeah, this is a pretty, this episode's funny more than anything. I ain't gonna lie. Deji's definitely has a lot of funny moments. With that said, like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed this video. Can't wait to see y'all again. With that said, peace.